In this video, we meet up with ICRC83 and we do a little side-by-side bashing with my Super Baja Rey 2.0 versus his Traxxas UDR with paddle tires. Before we start with that side-by-side, I had to take a few rips with the Super Laser Nut. This thing is absolutely awesome, and I did a full video review on it on the channel. I'll link it up above in the top right. Want to do some racing with them? All right, so you want to go around that, down around that, just like maybe like 3 laps or something? Yeah. Two. Oh boy. Oh. He's cheating. The UDR is definitely at a disadvantage with those paddle tires on this surface, but once we get it in the soft sand, it's really going to challenge. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, there's some 6S versus 8S rubbing. Uh-oh. So he's running 6S, I'm running 8S. He's got paddle tires, and I'm just completely stock. These things are fun. This is like the perfect play area. I'm gonna throw up. Jeez. This is where the paddle tires are gonna be the advantage. Oh. Oh yeah, the paddles help you there. These tires are a pain in the ass to clean, that's for sure. I should have plugged the holes on them. Ready?
Thing does just fly nice. Yeah.
Oh, the slowest rollover ever. I like this little lip. Well guys, thanks again for watching another video here. Make sure you go ahead, like, and subscribe, and even hype this video if you really liked it. Also, go ahead and give ICRC83 a like and a follow on Instagram, YouTube, anywhere he posts, Facebook, all the above. Super nice guy. I plan on doing some more videos with him in the future. Hopefully we can get him over to RC Madness on a Thursday night to start racing with us.